Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my nighttime skincare routine with the Ordinary skincare products. Let's get started. The first step is obviously to remove my makeup. I am using the Pond's Evening Soothe makeup wipes. I really like these because all you need is one wipe to remove all your makeup. I'm going to go ahead and put my hair up as I get ready to cleanse my face with the Ordinary Squalane Cleanser and Makeup Remover. This is an oil-based cleanser, and although the directions say to apply into hands and then rub hands together to warm the product, I prefer applying the cleanser directly to my face. I am going to rinse it off with warm water and then pat dry with the towel. Next, I use the Ordinary Buffet Multi-Peptide Serum, which is great if you want to tackle dry skin, fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, and uneven skin texture. I apply 3 drops to my face and massage well into my skin. I highly recommend doing your own research and a patch test before using any new products on your face, especially the Ordinary skincare because of their highly potent ingredients. Next step is to apply the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors and Hyaluronic Acid, a hydrating moisturizer with 11 amino acids. Next, I apply the Inkey List Caffeine Eye Cream. And I finish off my nighttime skincare routine with my Jade Roller. And now time for bed. Thank you for watching my video.